This week is lobako, and I'm like really good at making it. The basic ingredients you need for this is about 2 pounds of turnips, we're gonna shred that later, a bunch of Chinese sausage, 4 cups of rice flour, a lot of water. We're gonna add in some dried shrimp and then some dried, rehydrated shiitake mushrooms. Cut off the edges of your turnips and then shred it, no, peel it so that you can shred it later on. Now we have these size chunks so we can shred them. When you get these little tiny pieces after you shred, save them for later so that we can just chop them up. And then any overflow stuff, just put in the pot right over there. We're gonna start with 2 sausages, and then if we need more, we'll cut more, but dice those up. I take the skins off, so you can do that too if you want to. You don't have to. 2 sausages didn't seem like enough for us, so I'm putting in a 3rd, but you can put in however much you want to. Now we'll cut the mushrooms. Put everything in your pan, add a cup of water, and then cook it for 20 minutes. This is the mix that kind of holds everything together. So this is a full pack or 4 cups of rice flour, and then we'll use 3 cups of water. Now that it's this kind of like pasty consistency, we're gonna slowly pour it into the mix on the stove, and then we're gonna mix that as we pour it in. Now we're gonna put our lobako mixture into 2 steamable, heat-proof glass containers, and then we're gonna steam them for 40 minutes. We're gonna snack on it while it's in this stage, but you should really put it in the fridge, and then you can fry it up later for its final form. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Dad! He can't hear me. Dad! Do you want a taste test? It's later on now, so I cut the lobako into like evenly thick strips. So now you just have to heat your pan up, put some oil in, and then you can fry them for a few minutes on each side until they get nice and golden brown. Mix oyster sauce and sriracha. Oh, you have sriracha on yours now. Ah. You can mix it, you can use one or the other, but oyster sauce and sriracha, and then now it's time to taste. Can you handle that? You got sriracha on it? Here, you just use the sriracha chopsticks then. Should I lick it off the chopsticks? On camera? Blah. Blah, 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 blah. Can you eat it without me? I'm hungry. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, it's hot. Hot! Hot! Too spicy for you?
It's never too spicy for me.
I have my head.
Tuck down. There you go. Say something nice about me.
Natalie made this. Delicious.
That's it. It's good.
They're really good. You want some more?
I have another one.
Oh.
Let's go. What was that, Dad? Number one?
Mmm.